Good day everyone. My name is Siron Sanchez. Our topic for today is computation of personal maximum heart and training heart rate. What is heart rate? Heart rate is the number of times your heart beats per minute or BPM, also known as pulse. Normal heart rate varies from person to person, and knowing yours can be important health gauge. Resting heart rate or RHR. Heart pumping the lowest amount of blood because the body is at rest. Normal resting heart rate range from 60 to 100 beats per minute.
What is maximum heart rate? Maximum heart rate or MHR, it is a age-related number of beats per minute of the heart when working at maximum. Formula for maximum heart rate. MHR equals 220 minus age. Knowing this number along with resting heart rate allows you to find the correct intensity for your body when you're being physically active. Low intensity closer to your resting heart rate. If you're doing a low intensity workout, your maximum heart rate is closer to your resting heart rate result. High intensity closer to your maximum heart rate. If you're doing high intensity workout, your maximum heart rate is closer to your maximum heart rate result.
HRZ, range that defines the upper and lower limit of the training intensity. By doing this, you can determine if you are doing too much or enough. We can use this as an indicator for our physical health.
Good morning everyone, we're talking about the target heart rate chart. Why we need to know and what is the importance of this and what will benefit this to us. Let's start. The screen shows the example of target heart rate chart. The example we have is maximum, hard, moderate, light, and very light. Let's start to maximum. The percent of maximum heart rate beat per minute range to 90 to 100% and 171 to 193 beat per minute. The example duration is less than 5 minutes, and the training benefits is increased maximum sprint race speed, feels like very uncosting for breathing and muscle, recommended for very fit person with athletic training background. And the next one is the hard. The percent of maximum heart rate beat per minute range to 80 to 90%. 152 to 171 beat per minute, and example duration is 2 to 10 minutes. The training benefits is increased maximum performance capacity, feels like muscular fatigue and heavy breathing, recommended fit user and for short exercise. The third one is moderate. The percent of maximum heart rate beat per minute range to 70 to 80%. 133 to 152 beat per minute, and the example duration is 10 to 40 minutes. Training benefits is improved aerobic fitness, feels like light muscular fatigue, easy breathing, recommended for everybody for typically and moderately exercise. The second one is the light. The percent of maximum heart rate beat per minute range to 60 to 70%. 114 to 150 beats per minute, and the example duration is 40 to 80 minutes, and the benefits improve basic endurance and help recovery, feels like comfortable ease breathing, low muscle load, light sweating, and recommended for everybody for longer and frequently repeated. And the last one is very light. The percent of maximum heart rate beat per minute range to 50 to 60%. We have 104 to 114 beat per minute, and the example duration is 20 to 40 minutes. And the benefit is improved overall health and metabolism, help recovery, feels like very ease for breathing and muscle, and recommended basic training for weight management and active recovery. And this chart help us to maximize performance, improve fitness, and lose weight. Kasi hindi naman tayo lahat kaya agad tayo na maging maximum. Kagaya natin, hindi naman talaga tayo athletes. Doon lang tayo siguro sa very light or doon lang tayo sa light. For example, minsan naglalakad tayo. Kahit naglalakad lang tayo, pag napapabilis yung lakad natin, nahihirapan na agad tayo huminga. Kasi depende pa rin yun sa pangangatawan natin. Kaya meron tayong maximum, hard, moderate, and light, and very light.
In getting a heart rate, we have steps to follow. How to get your heart rate? In the first step, get your maximum heart rate or MHR. To compute your maximum heart rate, we subtract RH to your maximum heart rate. For example, 220 minus 98 is equals to 200. For the second step, we need to get our target heart rate zone or THRZ. How to get it? We need to subtract our maximum heart rate 220 to our resting heart rate or RHR. But how can we get RHR? Count the beat of your pulse in 60 seconds while resting. In step 3, we need to get the 60% and 80% of our target heart rate zone. In getting the 60%, we need to multiply it to maximum heart rate or MHR. For example, 201 times 0.60. The answer is 120.6, and the same goes for the getting the 80%. In step 4, we need to get the lower and higher target heart rate zone. In getting lower, we need to add our resting heart rate, and for the higher, same as the lower, but we have to add it in the answer in higher percent of your MHR.